Ever wondered what makes an NBA basketball so perfect? Spoiler alert, it's not magic, it's science, precision, and a whole lot of bouncing. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of basketball production to see how these iconic orange balls are made. Trust me, you'll never look at a basketball the same way again. Basketball isn't just a sport, it's a global phenomenon. And at the heart of every game is the basketball itself, a product of incredible craftsmanship. But what goes into making a ball that can withstand the pressure of high-stakes NBA games? Let's find out. It all starts with raw materials. The outer layer of an NBA basketball is made from genuine leather, sourced from top-quality cowhide. Why leather? It's durable, provides excellent grip, and only gets better with time. The inside layers, however, are made of synthetic materials like rubber and polyester to ensure flexibility and resilience. Fun fact: the leather used in NBA basketballs comes from cows raised specifically for their hide. This ensures consistency in texture and quality across every ball. Once the leather arrives at the factory, it's time to cut it into the iconic basketball panels. Each basketball is made up of 8 panels, and precision is key. Using computer-guided machines, workers cut the leather into perfectly shaped pieces. These panels aren't just random shapes. They're designed to fit together seamlessly when stitched. Think of it like a puzzle. Every piece must align perfectly, or the ball won't bounce evenly. And in a game like basketball, even the slightest imperfection can change the outcome of a play. Next up is the heart of the basketball. The bladder. This is the inner rubber core that holds the air and gives the ball its bounce. The bladder is made from high-quality rubber that's molded into a spherical shape. It's lightweight, yet strong enough to handle the intense pressure of an NBA game. Before it's inserted into the ball, each bladder is tested for leaks. After all, you can't have a deflated basketball on the court. Just ask Tom Brady. Now comes the layering process. The rubber bladder is wrapped in layers of nylon and polyester threads to reinforce its shape and strength. This step is crucial because it ensures the ball maintains its roundness, even after hours of play. Once the layers are in place, the leather panels are stitched together around the bladder. This isn't your average sewing job. It's a highly skilled process that requires precision and patience. Workers use industrial-strength thread to stitch the panels together, leaving no room for error. Ever notice those black lines on a basketball? They're called channels, and they play a crucial role in the game. The channels provide grip and control, allowing players to handle the ball with precision. To create these channels, the stitched ball is placed in a mold. The mold applies heat and pressure to imprint the black channels into the leather. This step also helps the ball take on its final shape. Before an NBA basketball can hit the court, it has to pass a series of rigorous quality tests. Each ball is inflated to the exact pressure specified by the NBA, between 7.5 and 8.5 psi. Then, it's tested for weight, size, and bounce. The bounce test is particularly interesting. The ball is dropped from a height of 6 feet, and it must bounce back to a height of 49 to 54 inches. If it doesn't meet this standard, it's back to the drawing board. Once the ball passes all the tests, it's time for the finishing touches. The NBA logo and other branding are stamped onto the leather using heat and pressure. This gives the ball its iconic look. Finally, The ball is coated with a special wax to enhance its grip and durability. After a final inspection, it's packaged and shipped to arenas, stores, and players around the world. Here are some fun facts about NBA basketballs you probably didn't know. Number 1. Each NBA basketball costs around $200 to make. Number 2. The official game ball has been made by Spalding for over 30 years, but Wilson recently took over the contract. Number 3. Every basketball used in an NBA game is pre-bounced 50 times to break it in before the players touch it. The next time you watch a game, take a moment to appreciate the craftsmanship and technology that goes into every dribble, pass, and shot. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Let us know in the comments what other products you'd like us to explore next. See you in the next video.